didn't come to you whole, I'll be the first to say I had cracks in the glass and the edges were gray. I brought you my heart in pieces, laid it out on the floor. I said it's been through a lot, it can't take anymore. I thought you'd be the steady hand, the one to make it right, to help me glue the fragments back in the middle of the night. But you held my damaged heart like it was poison in your palm, like it was dirt on your shoe, like it was breaking your calm. I asked for so little, just a word or a sign, but you couldn't even pick up the phone on the line. You were supposed to mend it, you were supposed to be the one, but you took what was damaged and you left it undone. I was the bank for your pockets and the ghost in your bed. While I was crying in the hallway, I was left on red. You had a million different stories for the friends on your screen, but for the woman right beside you, you were nowhere to be seen. I was paying for the life that you were living for them, while you sat there in the silence, ignoring the stem. It's a heavy kind of lonely, being us all by myself, watching my heart just gather dust on your shelf. You didn't just fail me, you watched the cracks grow. You treated my spirit like something to throw away, like a habit, like a debt you won't care, until the last of the damage just crumbled away. I looked in the mirror and I saw what you'd done. The almost broken girl was finally gone, and in her place was a woman who saw through the lies, who realized that better was right in her eyes. I deserve the answer, I deserve the time, and I'm taking back the life that was always mine. You couldn't handle the damage, so you finished the break, but that was the very last